This assessment asks us to identify the planes of symmetry in a tennis ball. Now, as you notice, when I walk behind the tennis ball, you can't see my hand, so I've redrawn a tennis ball here so that we can show our planes of symmetry. I didn't make it quite as circular as I probably should have. And to be honest, this assessment would work best if you had the tennis ball and held it in your hand. So in some ways, we're just doing planes of symmetry of a picture of a tennis ball. Well, what you notice is that there's a plane of symmetry that cuts through here. Again, that plane of symmetry being where a line reflects. So this top half here is reflected in this bottom half here. That makes that a plane of symmetry. There's another plane of symmetry that we can draw in this one, cutting it through here. And so our tennis ball, or at least our picture of the tennis ball, is going to have two planes of symmetry illustrated as shown.